just lost about $1,000 trading gold on 2 trades, and most of your mentors will not show you this. But I'm going to show you step by step exactly what happened and why we took this particular trade right here. All right, so let's get started right now. All right, so this was actually what happened. So you can see that the first trade was actually, let me just show you, the first trade was actually here. Why did I take this particular trade? You can see that the market initially tapped into a higher time frame demand zone right here, went to the upside, broke structure. All I wanted for was for the market to come into my zone, and once the market came to my area, I was able to send this particular signal with the 120 pips and about 3,000 pips target right here. Unfortunately, this trade ended up going against us and we lost on this particular trade right here. As you can see, the market went against us and we lost, right? And then what ended up happening is that the market actually decided to show signs of actually going in our direction again. As you can see right here, the market decided to push with big momentum candles to the upside. Then we executed a re-entry. Unfortunately, this also ended up being a loss. As you can see from here, the market actually took us out. All right, 2 trades and about $1,000 in losses, and that's what happened today. All right, let me show you what was happening on the higher time frame and a reason why I was able to actually take this particular trade right here. So you can see that for some time we've seen the market going to the upside right here, creating higher highs and higher lows, and then right here this was the time when the market actually made this first break of structure to the upside. So the market, as anticipated, came to this particular area. So once the market came here, you can see that we had the reaction right here. The market reacted from this zone, pushing to the upside and breaking multiple structures, right? And once that happened, it means that the trend has shifted, right? Therefore, we have to continue to push to the upside. And what I always wait for personally is for the fake out of the Asian high or low. So when I'm looking for buying opportunities, I want to see the market taking out the low of the Asian session, which happened. After that, we executed. Unfortunately, this trade ended up going against us, like I've already shown you. And we tried for the second time. The other trade also couldn't actually go in our direction, hence we lost 2 trades on this particular trade. Guys, what you have to understand is that my strategy is based on the fake out of the Asian session. Once the low of the Asian session is taken out, I look for buys. Of course, I have to wait for price to come to some sort of structure. Once the high is taken out, I look for sells, and that's how I catch those sniper trades that you actually see. That's how I trade. So sometimes this is going to happen. The market will take out the low but not go in our direction, and that's normal. All right, so just because I look for those confirmations before executing doesn't mean that I'm going to cash every win. Like, it doesn't mean that every low that is taken out, the market is going to go in our direction. No. So as a trader, that's why the issue of having a larger sample size comes in. You have to be able to think in terms of probability. Not every setup is going to work. You have to understand that. So by understanding that, you know that you have to risk 1 to 2% of your account, maybe 0.5%. You have to be able to predefine your risk. That you have to do. Without it, you cannot be profitable, guys. You have to have a larger sample size of mindset where you focus on a series of trades. That's what keeps you in the game. One trade should not be able to define you as a trader. One trade is literally nothing. So have that series of trade of mindset, and that's going to separate you from the 95% of traders. Most traders don't talk about losses because they shy away from them. But for me, I don't just talk about wins. I also talk about losses because this is the reality of trading. You are going to lose. So you decide how much money you are willing to lose on that particular trade. Otherwise, it's an inevitable part of trading. All right, inevitable part of trading. Yeah, so that's what happened today. 2 losses in our VIP today. All right, so the other thing I wanted to show you guys is that we've actually hit 1,000 followers on our page, guys. 1,000 followers of our new page, and that is extremely a big deal. Why, you ask? It's because we had lost our page and we had to create a new page, and this page right now is at 1,000 followers, and it's all thanks to you guys who've been following and engaging with our content. And because of that, we've decided to give you guys something that we've never done before. We're giving you guys a rare opportunity to be able to join our premium signals community for only $50. For you to get lifetime signals, guys, you would have to pay a $500. But for this period only, for these next 2 days, you can pay just a $50 and have lifetime signals in the next 48 hours only. Remember, we're only looking for 30 serious traders to actually join. Make sure you want to actually do this. All right, so this is just a way of us saying thank you for all of you guys for your support and everything. All right, so all you have to do is just send me a DM, 1K, and I'll be able to secure your spot. Remember, it's only limited to 30 people, so make sure you actually get this as soon as possible. All right, you guys, I really hope you found value from this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.